In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram video call indeed problem. If you're trying to make a video call on Instagram but frequently getting call indeed, then here is the real guide of how you can fix the problem. But before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to fix the problem, before you do anything, swipe down from the very top and enable the airplane mode for, let's say, 10 to 20 seconds. And after that, turn it back off. This will slightly restart the network system and see if that fixes your problem or not. If you found that you still have the same problem, then all you can do, you can go ahead and open up the Play Store and then search for Instagram here. And then tap on Instagram, and if you found any pending update, go ahead and update your Instagram application to the latest version. Or if you don't find an update, just need to get back from here and then press and hold the Instagram application and then tap on app info. And first thing first, go ahead and scroll down, tap on app permissions here and make sure you have allowed all the permissions that is necessary for you. So you'll get to see the call log. I'm going to allow all the permission. You'll get to see I have allowed all the permission, and here it says no permission denied, and you just need to get back from here and then tap on clear data at the bottom right, tap on clear cache and then OK, and then force close the Instagram application from the background. And once you have done that, the very next thing that you have to do, go ahead and restart your phone once. And after doing this process, once you get back, most likely your call indeed problem will be fixed. But if any case, let's say you did everything but still have the same problem, then here's the last guide that you guys can do. Go ahead and uninstall the Instagram application from your device. You can press and hold this one and tap on uninstall, and you can uninstall the application and reinstall it from the Play Store and log back into your account and try making the video call again, and most likely your problem is going to be solved. Hope you find it very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.